Hello, and welcome back to my channel, where together we'll go on a journey through some of the most amazing homes around the world. My name is Luis, and today we're right here in Pioneertown at a house that I'm sure will blow your mind. This series is all about experiencing these homes in a more intimate way. I'm not just here to show you around, we'll actually be staying here for 24 hours. And my hope is that you'll feel like you're right here exploring with me. But let's have some background on it, shall we? This utopic fantasy-like house is located in Pioneertown, California, and it was designed by Anastasiya Dudik. Her idea is that organic environments inspire creativity and gives bigger sense of connection. Anastasia describes it as a place designed to transport you and connect you to the stillness, raw beauty, and wildness of the desert. But I would describe it as an otherworldly, future primitive escape in the high desert. Something super interesting about this house is that Dudy conceived, designed, managed, and executed every aspect of the build without an architecture degree or a construction firm. From the sculptural envelope to the boulder integrated furnishings, Hata is a rare example of a truly holistic authorship. As soon as you enter, you immediately understand what this house is all about. Curbs replace corners, light softly flows along the hand-plastered walls, and every texture feels like a deliberate choice that adds to the sober, quiet feel. The space is raw yet refined, like a living piece of art shaped by the wind. It's a mix of organic architecture with plenty of brutalist elements that makes a house feel grounded, timeless, and in harmony with its surroundings. While externally, the dome has been given a crisp, white finish, the interiors is more roughly plastered to give a more natural, cave-like feel. And that's exactly what I meant by the primitive aspect of it. And the views, well, they're everywhere you look. Have you ever walked into a house and just felt like there is so much care and thoughtfulness put into it? That is exactly how I feel here. And I think it's such a special feeling. The house is so minimal and there's really not much to do other than just enjoy the architecture and the nature outside of it. As I continue exploring the house, it's impossible not to notice all the details that have been put into it. Small things like the light switches and custom windows are just chef's kiss. I am very excited to see how this house is illuminated. The natural light in this house has not disappointed, but let's see how it does at night. thing I love when I'm in the desert is just to look up at night. It's truly an experience I can only hope my lens can capture for you. I really wish you could have seen what my eyes saw out there. It was insane, but now I'm a bit tired, so let's get to bed. Guys, that pool was really cold. I haven't had a cold plunge in a while. That was definitely the closest I've been to one, at least in the past few months. But they say it's good for you, so I'll take it. I just showered, now I'm having breakfast. I've already packed, actually. So I'm just gonna enjoy the house and head back to LA. I'm gonna start making this series about at least the stay in each house for 24 hours because I cannot believe we have to go now. Now, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, like, comment what your favorite part of this house was, and I'll see you in the next one.